In this video, we are going to discuss about the statement of purpose. In this video, we are going to discuss the following point: why, how to write SOP and the structure of SOP. First point, why. So these are the points which are important before writing the SOP. So why? Because it introduces yourself before the interview. It gives the clear-cut idea about your background. It gives your work experience in the field. It gives your future goal to the interviewer. So structure. First of all, you have to write your introduction. In introduction, you have to write how and why it's interests you. In second point, you have to write what do you aspire to do in this domain. These are the introduction point. Then in second point, you have to write the background. In background, you have to write the academic information, and if you have some industrial exposure, then you have to write it. At the same time, if you have some professional experience, then you must include in your background. Then if you don't have this, if you relate your extracurricular activities with this program, then you can write in background. Third point is why this course. So write why you want to do this course. The fourth point is very important. Here you have to write the career goals. What exactly you want to do after this course, you have to write here. And what is your career goals, you can write there. Fifth point is why this university and why this course. You have to write some points related to university and this course. What attracts you in this university and in this course, you have to write in fifth point. At the end, in conclusion point, you have to sum up the whole introduction, background, academic backgrounds, your research program in that conclusion point. If you have any doubt, comment below. If you like this video, then like and share and subscribe and share to your friends who are preparing SOP.